If you're looking to brighten up areas around your porch, patio, or landscape, I've got just the plant for you. Polka-Dot Plants. These beauties pack a punch with their vibrant speckled foliage. Let's start with Splash Select Red. This variety brings bold, deep red foliage splashed with green margins. It's eye-catching and adds that rich, warm tone we love in southern plantings. Now, if you really want something that brightens up a shady corner, Splash Select White is your go-to. Its soft white leaves, lightly speckled with green, almost glow in low light. And then there's a classic favorite, Pink Splash. With its soft pink tones and green speckles, it gives you a cheerful cottage-style look that fits right here in the South. All of these plants are perfect for mixing with flowering annuals or even standing alone in a decorative pot. Polka-dot plants thrive in bright, indirect light or partial shade, making them perfect for porches and patios where they're protected from the harsh afternoon sun that can fade their vibrant colors. One of the reasons they perform so well here in the South is their love for humidity, so they'll be right at home during our warm summer months. To keep plants looking full and bushy instead of leggy, be sure to pinch back the stems regularly, which encourages more compact, attractive growth. Whether you're dressing up a shady area or adding a pop of color indoors, polka-dot plants are a fun, easy way to bring vibrant foliage in your space. I'm Eddie Smith. I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.